How to fix Apple Stocks app not working? Let's get started. For that, first of all, simply open up Settings. Inside Settings, scroll below, then tap on General. Inside General, scroll below again, then tap on iPhone Storage. Now inside here, scroll below and then search for the Stocks app. Once you find it, tap onto it. And just like that, simply tap on Upload app. Now tap on Upload app one more time to confirm. Once the app is uploaded, you can simply tap on Reinstall app. Wait for the Stocks app to download and reinstall. After reinstalling, simply open the app and check if the Apple Stocks app is working fine or not. If the problem still persists, you can simply try switching your Wi-Fi connection. For example, Wi-Fi to mobile data and vice versa. You can even delete the app instead and reinstall the stock application for a fresh installation. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.